Oh my God. Seriously, Maylene? Maylene.
Oh my God.
Come in here, honey, where it's quiet. Hey everybody, Amy, 100 plus abandoned dogs of Everglades, Florida. Albert is gone for the night and so on with foster wonderful Robin.
Hi.
Everybody meet Maylene.
Hi.
Hi, Maylene.
How are you?
Are you kidding?
This is my attempt for a diaper and I bought it.
We have. Hi.
Oh
my God, Maylene.
Cute.
What's he like?
The most adorable dog I ever had. I never had a dog that, that cuddles. And I put put his face on my shoulder. Hi. But my dog has been in a cage.
Yeah, no, it's no good. Maylene has a pit bull at home named Pancho.
Pancho.
And Pancho is not dog friendly especially this dog for whatever reason. Sorry, that's her phone. Let's wait for that to just, there we go. Maylene, tell us exactly what happened. You found him where?
I didn't find him. My brother-in-law.
Oh, that's right.
He's having some
schizophrenia episodes.
And I think he took him. And I've been asking him many times, where do you get him? He says he get it at a gas station. But he's too affectionate.
What city?
And too clingy, too needy. So I'm sure he has an owner.
What city you don't know?
Hialeah.
Hialeah.
He found it. He says he found it in Hialeah in a gas station. But I can tell, although his nails are long, his teeth are not clean.
Did you shave him, or was he like this?
He was like that.
So he was groomed.
Yeah.
And it's a male, estimated to be between the ages of 2 and 6.
Yeah,
that's what they said.
Said.
Have you posted him?
No, I have not, because I have it on Facebook. So that I told him that I was going to keep the dog until he was better. So I was going to give it back to him. That's how he was able to give me the dog, because he didn't want to give me the dog. And so I haven't posted anything because I don't want him to notice it.
Okay.
So now I'm going to call him and I'm going to tell him that the dog, I took him to the
rescue.
Not to the rescue, tell him I took him to, because I've been telling him I'm going to take him to PetSmart for them to clip the nails. So I'll tell him I took him over there and they told me that he has a microchip and the owners are...
But he doesn't.
No?
But he doesn't.
He doesn't.
Okay.
But that's what I'm going to tell him. That when I took him to...
Okay. So guys, listen, let me just start off by saying this is Maylene. Really tough situation here. Her brother is ill and said he found this boy who is not neutered and not microchipped at a gas station in Hialeah, Miami. Very clearly, he is very well cared for, groomed, nails a little long. Did he smell at all when you got him? Was he dirty?
I don't know, because he bathed him.
He bathed him.
And I bathed him too.
But he didn't groom him. He was groomed already.
Yeah, he was groomed.
Okay.
And the way he is, he only wants to be held. He wants to sleep in the bed. He gets in the bed, so you can tell that
he was somebody's dog.
Probably older people. That's because he only wants to be.
I have reported him to the shelter. For anybody that may be looking for him, I have reported him. Me personally,
okay.
Just so you know, that's my job as a rescue. He will not be returned to anybody that is not perfect. He's not neutered. He's not microchipped. But again, this could be somebody's lost pet. Kids open doors, people open doors, things happen. It does not make a person a bad owner. I will tell you that right now. He's not neglected as far as his coat, he's shaved. Estimated by the vet's office when you took him to check to see if he had a microchip between 2 and 6. That's quite a range. Hey, hi, you don't even have a name. You don't even have a name. Let me see you.
He looks like Schnauzer.
His eyes are crystal clear. He's young. Let me see. He's young. Babe, can you lift his lip and check out his teeth?
His teeth are dirty.
Are they good? Dirty? Dirty.
Yes, he needs.
Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up.
I wanted them to, clip the nails. I was going to pay it and everything, but he has to have a record with them and the vaccines and everything.
We'll do everything that he needs medically. We'll neuter him. Oh my God.
He's so
Seriously. He's like a Yorkie.
He's a koala bear.
Yorkie. He looks like a koala bear. And he has the fountain ears. Watch. Ridiculous. Call him Curly. I like that.
Curly.
That's cute. That's really cute. Oh my God. Listen, first.
Be in a cage.
No, I don't cage. As you can see, Maylene, this is his room.
This is where
Unless we find a wonderful foster, which I think I will look for. He's hypoallergenic, and he's definitely young. He's not no 6. I would estimate. I have to see his teeth.
They were thinking 4.
3 or 4?
Between 2 and 6.
Yeah.
But they were guessing 4.
Oh, his teeth are a little bit, yeah.
Bad.
And he's
They're
trained.
not bad, but there's tartar on them, yeah.
Okay, but are they rotted?
No.
Okay, so he's
But
probably
they're-
3 or 4,
Well,
maybe more. I want to see. He's not old,
no, but you
No.
can see the
and
tartar.
his eyes are crystal clear. There's no cataracts.
I'd say between 4, like 4 and 5, maybe 4. I don't know.
He's trained. The only reason he has a diaper is because at home, I don't know if it was because he was nervous for the other dog. He would just shake and pee, or sometimes he will get excited and he will pee. So
We have belly bands and wraps like you put on him. You're on. I told Colleen, I'm like, get the room ready. What is he eating for you? Dry or wet food?
he didn't eat much of the dry food, so I mixed it.
He likes wet.
And he loved it.
Okay, so we have plenty of wet, high quality. This is the plan. We're going to try to find if there is an owner looking for their dog, obviously, first. Report him to every shelter and share him. And if there is no owner found, then, of course, we will have him neutered, dental, and try to find a forever home. In the interim, we desperately would love a foster because he would do very, very well in a home environment versus here. I'm trying to read everybody's comments. There are 105 people currently on this video. Hi.
This is what you want.
Hi, Munchkin. Hi. Your kissy face. You're so sweet, Nani. Hi, Boo Boo.
He
Look.
jumps in the bed and he gets lost in there.
Oh my
It's his-
God.
I can't. He looks like a mini Airedale / Yorkie with the ears, with the fountain ears. I cannot even. The ears. We love ears.
He's a dog to keep.
He what?
He's a dog to keep. My son. wanted to keep him,
Unfortunately,
but
your dog was not tolerating.
He is. I mean, he will be fine.
What happened?
But the only thing,
What happened with your dog when you let him out? When I told you not to.
it is
He went
because,
after him.
You know, I also feel bad for Pancho because he gives me, you know, the puppy look. He's in the cage when we're over there and he's here. So I let him, I'm standing over there and just to the door.
What
And
happened?
this
He
one-
grabbed him? Did he grab him?
He didn't bite, but he did something that the dog crying. And like,
Probably got scared.
You sure there's no puncture wounds or anything?
I'm 100%.
100%,
Yes,
okay.
He probably just got very startled. But it's not fair to your dog either. He needs to be out of the cage. You can't keep a dog in a cage.
Yeah.
We're just taking him in as I am doing this video. I have been communicating with Maylene. I told her as soon as I have an open room that I will take this little boy into, isn't it nice, into our rescue. Of course, we need a name. So if you all would like to, what have you been calling him?
Doggy.
Doggy.
Because I didn't want
That's
to
not going to work, Maylene. We need more than doggy. We need a cute little name.
Curly's cute.
Curly Joe.
Curly.
Curly?
Curly.
I don't like Curly.
Pistachio.
We had a pistachio.
She loves Curly.
No, I didn't want to.
Koala.
No koala. Shep, no.
Yeah.
My brother-in-law was calling him Mickey.
He looks like a Mickey Mouse.
We have a Mickey
Because of
right
his
now.
ears. We have a Mickey right now, so we can't do Mickey. Stacy Tierney likes Curly as well. Charmin. Nah. CJ for Curly Joe Short.
We have CJ.
Yeah, we have a CJ.
This is all he wants.
All he
It
wants.
makes me think that he belonged to an older person.
His eyes are crystal clear. There's no cataracts in this dog. He's young. He's
no,
young.
that he belonged to an older person.
Why?
Because the way he is, he only wants to be held.
Young
We have a
people
lot
are
of dogs like
young
that,
people
though.
are affectionate too.
Yeah.
We have a lot
Yeah.
of dogs.
We had many Archies. That's one of my favorite names,
You're a
unfortunately.
kisser.
He's very
Yes.
affectionate.
You're a kisser. You are a lover. You are a lover.
I can't listen. I can't adopt this dog out right now. What I can do is foster to adopt. But I have to try to find, as legally, I have to try to look for an owner. And obviously, if this dog is not, if we get a call, you better have some amazing proof that this is your dog. I'll tell you straight up. It's a male. There are some things that you will need to provide for us to show that it is truly your dog. He's a male and he's not neutered. Kiko.
Kiko? What's Kiko mean?
What does Kiko mean?
It's just like a Latino word, like
What-
people or
People?
or tati or things like that.
Merlin? Yeah.
It's not a name.
No. Ewok? No. Banjo, Barney.
I'm sure it's not.
We had Barney.
He's definitely
We had an
not a
Ewok.
Banjo.
He's
I was
precious.
thinking to keep it in the
Oh,
house
you
until
stick
you
it
guys
right
find
next to
someone.
You keep shaking the diaper.
He's going to be so loved here, Maylene. You can come visit anytime.
Yeah.
Hi, sweet baby. You're going to be so spoiled.
Although I think he's gonna get adopted really quick.
Yeah.
because
Well, I want to get him in. I would
now-
love to
It's
get him in
gotta
a
be
foster.
Foster to
I can't adopt him outright. I have to make sure there's no owner because if somebody comes forward and shows proof, then I'm screwed. You know, and animals are considered property. How long have you had him?
Just I got it Thursday night, but he had it for almost 2 weeks.
So your brother had him 2 weeks, and your brother's
He's
not well.
No.
So-
He needs to go to the hospital.
Well,
No.
he's been reported, and so from here on, we're looking for foster to adopt.
Yeah, we need a foster to adopt right now. So if anybody is interested and they are close by and local, this dog is
Perfection.
perfection in every way, and we cover cost of neuter.
See?
We need to microchip, do the vaccines, of course, and all the blood work. But
Oh my
he
God, the ears, when
is.
his ears go up, go do the.
Oh my God, I can't take it. I can't take how cute you are. Look, wait,
How about NASA?
what?
NASA.
NASA. Oh please, Seamus, Crushy.
Crushy.
I don't know. Oli, Smokey Joe, no. Shaggy, no.
I noticed his name.
Skipper.
I don't know. Probably just,
Get
he's
it.
probably not used to
He
it.
doesn't even know what a
Yeah,
toy is,
yeah.
probably.
I was thinking maybe because he knows their.
He does look like a Build-A-Bear. You know that
He
toy?
does,
Build-A-Bear.
You got a
Build-A-Bear.
Captain America shirt?
Is there any Build-A-Bear names? I don't know
No,
Build-A-Bear.
you make your own name.
Oh, but everybody likes Carol, Scooter,
You're
Finley,
It's a boy.
Walla,
Yeah.
Cookie, Skipper, Rugsby, Linus. Oh, Linus is cute.
Oh, Linus is. Well, we had a Linus.
Yeah, but how long ago? It was a puppy.
Yeah. Linus.
Linus! Hi, Linus! No, he's not answering. CJ! Come here, CJ.
Oh, no, CJ's. We
Okay.
CJ.
What was the other name we said? Was it Curly?
Curly.
Curly. Come here, Curly.
We actually had a Curly, but that was a long time
It was
ago.
years ago. Curly. Curly, come. Dad's Curly.
You can call
You
me.
need your eyes trimmed. Oh, Curly. Aki. Aki.
How about Muppy?
No.
Muppy. Muppet.
Linus.
Muppet.
Let's see if he does. Look. Linus, come. Linus. Aki. Linus. Nope. Curly.
Gonzo.
Curly. 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 Come here,
So
Curly.
the problem is not finding the poster, it's finding the name, right?
Oh, Fosters are nothing. Mookie, Beba, no. Wavy. We get some great imaginations in this group. We have 132 people watching this video. Teddy, we've had 1 million Teddys. We've had 1 million Rileys.
You get to choose your name.
Yeah.
Which one you like.
Well, you're going to pick the
Once?
name. We're not going to let them pick it. They're going to throw it out there, and then you're going to choose it. I'm watching you guys. I'm reading, but I don't see anything that's grabbing me. So far, it's Curly that he's answering to. We had a Jasper.
You don't like that diaper? It's so
You can take it
small.
off. Take it off. I have a wrap for him.
We got
Take it
that
off.
idea. Yeah.
It's okay. If he pees, he pees. Bay Bear is, as in Build-A-Bear. Bay Bear.
Yeah, you didn't make any people.
No. You don't need to diaper. Oh, stop it. What is this? Ridiculous.
What happened that made you naked? I took your shirt and diaper off.
You're naked now.
You're naked. What did that happen?
Maylee, I can understand why you're having a hard time letting go.
See, you see?
Yes. You are delicious. Oh, the kissy faces. Come here. Come here. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me some. Oh, you smell delicious. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, I'm getting kisses in my mouth. Oh, you're delicious.
Is anybody in the yard? You want to bring them out in the yard?
Ask Colleen. Oh, stop. Okay, I'm in love again. Watch out, Carol. Close the door, Carol. Okay, so we have to wait. Macaroni.
I like macaroni.
Macaroni. Macaroni.
I like that one.
Rotini. Ziti.
Macaroni.
Macaroni. See if he comes to you. Get down and walk away and call Macaroni. See if he comes.
Macaroni.
No, go over there and call Macaroni.
Come on, Macaroni. Come on, Ziti. Ziti. Macaroni, macaroni.
Macaroni.
Eggplant.
No.
Macaroni.
You like macaroni?
Macaroni.
Macaroni? Yes, you like it? Yes.
Roni for short.
Roni. Macaroni. Roni. Roni. Macaroni. Macaroni.
He has butterfly ears, exactly.
Rigatoni.
Radar.
Rigatoni.
Oh, he's delicious. I can't. With this baby. Pastini.
I used to eat that when I was a little girl.
Well-
Pastini.
Listen, get up and run around and see if he comes to Pastini.
Pastini. Pastini.
He'll run either way.
Either way.
Pastini. You want to be Italian? You are Italian, aren't you? Giuseppe. Giuseppe.
No. Pastini.
Pastini. Pastini. Oh.
Macaroni. Macaroni.
Macaroni.
Macaroni. I think he likes macaroni. Macaroni. Hi, macaroni.
Hi, I'm inquiring about
Macaroni. Oh. Hi, Pastini. Oh, you're so sweet, puppy.
Pastini.
Pastini.
I grew up on pastini.
Pastini, 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 pastini. Let me see the ears. Pastini. Do you sit? Siéntate. Siéntate. Hey,
Is that how you say sit?
siéntate.
Siete.
Siéntate. No, that's not siéntate. That's crawling all over me. Come up here. Mama. Papa. Macaroni. Pastini. Pastini. Curly. He'll answer to anything. You're right, Maylene. You love her so much. Oh, I love you, love you, love you. If I had one, I'd take you home too. Yeah.
Macaroni. Oh, he's so cute.
Oh my God, makes your blood pressure just go down. Oh, stop. Larry. I love Larry. I love names like that.
Colleen.
You gotta come in here. Everyone likes macaroni
Macaroni.
and pastini.
Macaroni.
Macaroni, pastini, pastini.
No, you can call him Mac for short.
Macaroni, pastini. Ah, Carl.
Macaroni. Macaroni. Look at this macaroni.
So silly. He was sleeping with you and cuddling you in bed?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, Colleen, get
I
ready.
actually put a bed next to mine.
Is anybody in the yard, Colleen?
No.
No, we'll let him out in a minute. Hold on.
Oh, okay.
Just let her meet him first.
Okay.
Bocelli.
What?
Bocelli.
Ooh, I like that too. Andrea, Bocelli.
Andre.
You smell puppies on me, huh? Probably.
Yeah, his back legs are fine. Everything's fine.
Guido.
Guido, no. Pasta visual. Love it, Erica.
Minestrone.
S&P here. So I'm thinking he would do it at home because he was afraid or
Yeah,
something.
probably.
What?
Yeah.
What's that?
Huh? He hasn't peed yet.
Yeah.
He's excited and he hasn't peed.
Yeah.
The happy pee.
Yeah, the exciting pea.
Minestrone.
Giuseppe. 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 Nope. He answers to
Macaroni.
macaroni and
Macaroni?
no macaroni. No, what was the other one?
Curly.
Pastini.
Pastini.
You're just too busy kissing.
Pastini. Well, right now he loves
He loves love. He just loves.
He would do that all day long.
Isn't he delicious,
In
Colleen?
love again.
Colleen is in love again. Okay, who's gonna foster this baby for me? I know I have one available foster, and that is Gail.
Oh, he would do good there.
Yeah, he would. Gail up in Lake Worth, if you are watching this video, we need a foster desperately to make room because I have other dogs that need saving, just like this little guy right here, while we actively look for a potential owner.
Macaroni. I could see him in Sarah Beck's house. With the other
Yeah,
one.
right? Sarah Beck, definitely. She's big on females for some reason.
Oh,
Alabama's not going to work, honey, but I love you.
Alabama.
No, we're not going to. No, bring him to Alabama. No, we don't
Oh,
ship.
I thought you were naming
We don't
him
ship
Alabama.
and we don't transport. As you know, when we do home checks, we open every door in your house. We check out every inch of your home, your yard. We check your vet references. We only accept the best for these dogs. We will not ship.
Macaroni. Macaroni.
Call him. Let go.
He's-
Stop touching Colleen
no,
for a
it's
second.
not that. She's got all the dogs on her. He's
Call him again.
Macaroni. Macaroni.
Go like this.
He's not even looking at me. Macaroni. He's smelling Colleen.
Come here.
Macaroni.
Following your love.
Pizzili. Pizzili.
Oh, Pizzelli.
Pizzeli.
Pizzelli.
Ugh, enough with the ziti and the macaroni and the. Who cares? Let's just focus on finding this baby. I mean, he's fine here. There's somebody here all the time, hours on end, 24 hours basically.
I like Pizzelli.
But I'd love to find him. I'd love to get him into a foster where he's sleeping in a bed.
Yeah, there's no reason why he should.
Oh, he smells all
Yeah,
the time.
he loves the bed. And
Colleen is awesome. Yes, she is, Erica.
Tell Erica, thank you.
Erica, she said thank you. I know. I've been texting Colleen all night and day telling her how much I love her and how much I appreciate her.
I know I woke up to that this morning.
You did, didn't you? It's good stuff, huh?
Yeah, he has a favorite one now. I didn't see that.
Everybody loves Colleen.
He's delicious.
Luigi. Luigi.
Who's going to offer this baby a foster home until a foster to adopt home? This sweet, perfect baby. Give me a call, 877-506-8100. And please share if anybody knows who this baby belongs to and is possibly missing their home, their family. You will need to show serious proof before we ever return. And we will do a thorough home check. We will go out to the home.
How about Giovanni?
No. Oh my God, I'm dying.
So it's macaroni or Or
Yeah, what is it? What did we decide? Is it macaroni or pastini? What's the deal? Ziti? What? Luigi? What?
I like macaroni. Alonzo.
Mac for short.
Alonzo.
No, he's not answering to Alonzo. Where'd that come from?
I don't know.
Oh, I'm
You're all
exhausted.
going through a list.
Roni.
Roni's cute too.
Roni. Roni. He's not moving. Macaroni. No pasta. Curly. Curly. Curly.
Edmondo.
I can't even say that one.
Edmondo.
You look good sitting on pee-pee pads. It's very becoming of you.
Thank you. I'm here just in case.
Christine says, I told you to call him Lotto. Maybe he will bring lots of money.
Lotto.
Lotto! Lotto, Lotto, Lotto!
well, he's a happiness Lotto, that's for sure.
We are so rich in every other way.
Francesco.
Come here, puppy. Poppy. Poppy. Come here, puppy, puppy. Hi, puppy. Hi, puppy.
Geronimo.
Okay, we don't even have a freaking name after an hour video. Hi, baby.
Giorgio.
Oh,
Well, he gets his little face and
Pastini? What is it called? Pastini?
Christine.
Pastini. Come here, Pastini. Come here, Pastini.
Leonardo.
Ah, Pastini.
What about Leonardo? Leonardo.
I like that.
Luciano.
Do you like Beluga? Willie.
He's
Willie.
got Italian on the mind. I think that's
Right?
what happened
I love
tonight.
those names. Those are great.
Let's call him Krepla.
Marcelo. Marcelo. Oh, he's thirsty.
Lucky.
Mario.
This is a new rescue that we just took in. Pippin. That's cute. We just took this little boy in. And we are going to first, obviously, share and try to find an owner if anybody's missing their dog. If not, we have reported him. I took a photo and reported him to the shelters in case somebody is looking for their family pet.
Primavera.
that's a
Parmigiana.
That's a female name.
Ragu.
Chablis.
We call him Ragu. Pasquello. Pasquelli.
Maylene is like, you guys are nuts. What the hell am I doing here?
Pino. Pino.
Peter, do you hear his name?
Oh my God.
What street did you find him on?
It's like a human. Look what he does.
I know,
So
he is
cute.
amazing.
Rocco.
No, Rocco. We have a million Rockies. Really?
Yeah, but we don't have a Rocco.
No. Cannoli.
Oh, I love cannoli.
Cannoli? Cannoli.
Cannoli, cannoli.
Yeah, cannoli, and he's yummy like a cannoli.
You yummy like a cannoli, Papi.
Rolando.
And he does look like a cannoli.
You're a cannoli.
That is cute.
Cannoli?
Yeah. But Romano.
That's my name. That was my maiden name, Romano.
Ramsey.
Don't
I
even
like
sway
Ramsay.
away from Italian food. Now you're gonna really mess us up. We're on cannolis and zitis and rotinis and pastinis.
I'm part Italian. I don't even know.
Bonjour.
Vincenzo. Vincenzo.
I don't think it even matters.
Vinny.
I don't even think it matters at this point.
Looks like a
We had too many Benjis. Cannoli, come here, cannoli.
Valentino.
He came to cannoli. Babe.
Valentino's cute too.
He came to cannoli.
Cannoli. Cannoli.
Yeah, he
Oh,
came to cannoli.
You're a cannoli.
That's it. He's a cannoli.
Oh, you're a cannoli.
Cannoli it is.
You're cannoli.
You're sweet as a cannoli. I love cannoli with chocolate chips.
Cannoli. Cannoli.
Cannoli, cannoli! And he loves to
Aw.
kisses when you say the name.
Cannoli. You're a good cannoli.
We have officially lost.
Is cannoli in your name?
He's too sweet for Pastini. He's got to be a cannoli.
Pastino. Cannoli. Cannoli? Cannoli? Go ahead, call cannoli. See if you
I know he does. He
Say
looks very
cannoli.
well
Cannoli.
cared for.
Cannoli.
Yeah,
He
he's
said
answer.
that.
He's coming to cannoli.
Well, he was head down.
Stop! You're killing me here.
Cannoli. Cannoli.
Now we got Pepe, short for pepperoni. Now we're going on to pizzas.
Oh, we need to get a puppy pack now and name them Pepperoni and Ziti and
Mozzie.
All I know is he's delicious
Cannoli.
and he's sweet, so he needs to be as sweet as his name.
Cannoli. Cannoli.
Come, Cannoli. Yeah, he's
Oh,
Cannoli.
hi, Cannoli.
He's Cannoli. That's it.
Cannoli.
He's so much relaxed
Cannoli.
here. It's not.
He's not stressed out.
What
It's
is
not
cannoli?
stressed.
And he won't ever be again.
Mm-hmm.
Cannoli. Oh, delicious
He's got
monkey.
Italian hair.
You need a little trim. You know what? We have to trim around his eyes because you can't see his eyeballs. Babe, you have a big thing about that.
Yeah.
My dog.
I like to see their eyes.
I do
It
that
makes
too.
me crazy
Yeah.
when they can't see.
Yep.
We're gonna trim your eyes so we can. Oh, yeah, right there.
Except
Hi.
she says I can't touch
She's
it.
terrible hair cutter. Well, I would take him to the groomer, but he doesn't need it. He just needs a little trim around his eyes, and he smells delicious because you both have given him
Let's
baths.
kiss it on pee-pee.
All right, let's go outside. Want to see the yard real quick? It's hot, so we'll do it quick.
Come on, Cannoli.
Give me a kiss.
You come too.
I see the backyard.
I mean, unless you gotta go.
No, that's fine.
All right, come on, Cannoli.
Oh.
Look, he's got a routine now. He just got here. Look at this. Look at this guy. He knows where he's going.
He's got.
I like cannoli too. Going outside with the girls and cannoli. Guys, please share. I will put up a photo individually, separate from this video. Share it on Lost Dogs of Broward and Miami. Also have reported the photo to the shelters. He was found in Miami at some gas station. So if there's anybody that knows who this baby, honestly, all kidding aside, this is a life that we have taken into our organization to make sure he ends up in the right hands and the right hands only. Maylene reached out to me. She took him to Banfield, had him scanned, no microchip, not neutered. He just pee-peed outside. Obviously, other than his nails overgrown, which is very common. Some dogs don't like their nails cut. The owners take their time to
Ain't no sunshine when she...
But we are looking for an immediate foster only right now, and if the owner is not found, if no owner is found, then obviously the dog will, Cannoli will be up for adoption. He will need to be neutered, vaccinated, and microchipped by our organization. But this is our newest addition to our 100 plus family, where he will receive nothing but unconditional love around the clock, as you know, and you watch us day in and day out. So if anybody can assist, please reach out. I will reach out to my fosters that I know that may be able to help, and we will go from there. Yeah. Is he a barker? He doesn't seem to make a peep.
Barker? No, he only barks when I put him in the cage.
He doesn't want to be
The first
confined.
time.
Yeah.
And like the whole night.
Because he was in the cage. He didn't want to be in a
Yes,
cage.
yes.
Our dogs would bark too.
Mhm.
They freak out.
But other than that, he doesn't bark at all.
Yeah,
He
he's
doesn't
perfect.
complain.
He's perfection. He's not a barker. He just doesn't want to be contained, which, as you know, we opened up 2 rescue houses. We have another one next door we just opened. And none of our dogs ever see a cage other than if we have to transport in a car. But none of our dogs ever see a cage or a kennel. They have their own room. He's going to make a poopy now.
Kristen, we're
Yay, good move, Cannoli. Dalton's doing fantastic. Thank you. I was just in the bathroom with him. He's sweet as sugar. Everybody's great, but they all need forever homes. So that's what we're here for, to rescue, revive, and rehome responsibly. Good, solid, good poopy, Cannoli. This is Amy with 100 Plus Abandoned Dogs of Everglades, Florida. Everybody welcome Cannoli. Thank you for your input of names. It's it's always challenging to give a dog a name in this group because we've gone through so many names with almost 4,000 dogs rescued in 8 years. He's great on a leash. You sure he's not neutered? Nope, he's got the littlest balls. They're tiny. He's young. He's young. Hi, Shelly. Look at this baby. He's perfect. He's perfect. Cannoli it is. He's cannoli, sweet as sugar. Yes, we are in Florida and we do not adopt, we do not ship or transport, let's put it that way. With us trying to possibly, of course, looking for an owner and reporting him to any shelter, sharing his profile to see if there's an owner missing him. We will not send him out of state. We are looking for a local. Right now I'm looking for a foster. I want to wait and see if we find a family that's missing their dog. If not, then he will be up for adoption. But foster to adopt is great. So whoever fosters him will have the option, be the first to be able to adopt if no owner is found. But right now he needs a loving home where maybe another small dog. He loves, I'm sure he would love the companionship of another dog. He's sweet. He wants to sleep in bed. He wants to cuddle. Good pee-pee puppy. Good pee-pee cannoli. I'm not engaged. There's no trolls allowed on this page, please. Anybody that comes on this rescue page, there's somebody that made some nasty comment. Not about us or the dog. No, something separate. Old news that's been cleared up. But anybody that comes on our 100 plus page and posts any negativity or slander, expect yourself to be deleted and blocked. We don't have any time for this in our life while we are literally 24/7 focused on saving lives, killing ourselves. What are you doing on this Sunday while we have been here 7 days a week, 24 hours? Feel free if you'd like to volunteer and spend your time making a difference in saving lives. Other than that, be gone. Poof.
Where is this on this?
Apparently on this post, I don't know.
Is it cannoli? Cannoli it is?
Cannoli it is, Maylene.
Cannoli?
Maylene, thank you for reaching out. Thank you for, a lot of people would say I'm taking it to the shelter. You know, I don't have time, I don't have the room. So thank you for keeping him safe and reaching out to us, allowing us to be part of the process of, you know, making sure he gets the best of whatever it may be. I deleted it. As soon as I saw it, I deleted it. Our focus is on the abandoned, the abused, the voiceless animals that are suffering due to so-called humanity. Yeah, anybody that would come on a thread on a page, on a rescue page, and try to post something negative under a poor dog that we're trying to find a home for on a Sunday afternoon in 100 degrees, waiting, standing here outside, just get yourself off my page. Go away, please. You need severe help. We'll pray for you. This is Amy with 100 plus abandoned dogs of Everglades, Florida, with our newest rescue, Cannoli. I'm here with Carol, Maylene, Colleen, and Simon. Keith! Home Improvement?
Mr.
What is it? Is it Wilson?
Mr. Wilson.
Oh, Wilson. Sorry, Simon. Please share, guys. 100 plus abandoned dogs of Everglades, Florida. I will put all of our information on the page if you should know who this dog belongs to. Yeah, it's hot. We're going to go inside right now. Everybody welcome Cannoli to 100 plus abandoned dogs of Everglades, Florida. And thank you.